Hello, and thank you for watching this help video. In this example, I'm going to explain how to determine the degree of a polynomial using a graph. Now, for this particular graph, we have a graph that is just a straight line. Now, but we won't be able to determine the exact degree of the polynomial. We will be able to at least determine the minimum value for the degree of such a polynomial. And it correlates directly to the number of terms that the graph or the polynomial has. Since this is the graph of a straight line, well, from algebra 1, the hint should be automatically that, well, you know that this is going to be the equation y equals mx plus b, where the exponent in such a situation right here is this invisible 1 scenario. So this tells me that the degree of this has to be exactly, or a minimum, sorry, not exactly, but a minimum of 1, because we could have x to the third power and create a graph like this. We just have to zoom in only in that area, okay? But if we're looking at the entirety of this thing, then, and if it's always going to be a constant line, then we know that the degree specifically for this example will be exactly 1. Now, the way to determine it by the number of turns is that since this has a total of 0 turns, so 0 turns, you simply increase that value with 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So this degree will be at least 1. The degree has to be, again, bigger than or equal to 1. So what's the minimum value for the degree? For this example, again, it would have to be the value of 1.